The objective of this lesson is to have students be able to solve a division problem by relating division to multiplication. In the previous lesson, students solved division problems by counting rows or columns in an array. Now that students have an understanding of division and what the parts represent, the terms divisor, dividend, and quotient can be introduced. Let's use our division mat to help us solve this problem. Sophia knew that homework this week would take her 40 minutes to complete. She has 4 nights to complete it. How many minutes should Sophia spend each night in order to have it completed in 4 days? Where should the 40 go? Let's draw a large rectangle to represent the array and put 40 inside the rectangle because that is our total minutes. This number is called the dividend and is the quantity to be divided. Where should I put the 4? Is it the number of groups or the quantity within each group? The 4 from our problem is the number of nights Sophia has to spend on homework or the number of groups. So the 4 goes on the left side representing the number of rows. This is called a divisor. A divisor is the quantity by which another quantity is to be divided. In our case, we are dividing 40 by 4, or 40 minutes by 4 days. What would the equation be that represents this problem? 40 divided by 4 equals what? Our answer to this equation is called the quotient. The quotient is the answer or result of dividing one quantity by another. How does knowing your multiplication facts help with division? Division is the inverse of multiplication, just like the relationship between addition and subtraction. The 3 numbers that make a multiplication equation also form a division equation. I can think of our problem of 40 divided by 4 equals what as 4 times what equals 40. That's an easy one because 4 tens makes 40, so our quotient or answer is 10. Sophia would take 10 nights to finish her homework. Now let's try a different problem. Sophia knew that homework this week would take her 40 minutes to complete. She commits to working on it 10 minutes each night. How many nights will it take before she is finished? In this problem, it looks like our dividend is the same, 40 minutes. So let's draw our array and write 40 inside. The group size, or number of minutes, is known, 10 minutes. So let's place that 10 on the top in the column location as our quotient. So what's missing? What we need to find out is the number of nights it will take, or our divisor. If I use my related multiplication fact, I need to think what times 10 equals 40. I know that 4 tens make 40, so my answer is 4. It will take Sophia 4 nights to finish her homework. Since these 2 arrays presented are the same arrays, what would happen if we applied the commutative property? What would happen to the equations? For the vertical array, the division and multiplication equations would be 10 times 4 equals 40, and 40 divided by 10 equals 4. For the horizontal array, the equations would be 4 times 10 equals 40, and 40 divided by 4 equals 10. These 4 equations together make a fact family. A fact family is a collection of multiplication and division facts made with the same numbers. The fact family for our arrays are 10 times 4 equals 40, 4 times 10 equals 40, 40 divided by 10 equals 4, and 40 divided by 4 equals 10. A quick and fun activity you can do with your child is called matching fact families. Facts are cut apart and bagged, and your child tries to match the 4 facts that make a fact family. Your child can organize them and glue them on another paper in their matching fact families. If I pull out the fact 3 times 9 equals 27, what are the other 3 facts that would make up this fact family? 9 times 3 equals 27, 27 divided by 3 equals 9, and 27 divided by 9 equals 3. In this lesson, students learn how to solve division problems by relating division to multiplication. Students also learn the essential division vocabulary as they build models for division and are able to identify facts that make up a fact family.